clinician and I'm also a fertility specialist. Since I'm starting my own fertility center, I thought it's very important for me to have embryology knowledge and especially hands-on. So I came here to CFC to get trained under Dr. Thomas and Dr. Krishna, and the institute here is fabulous. The working atmosphere is fabulous. Besides all the embryology work, hands-on that we got, which is a class apart. We have been busy the whole day, right from 10 o'clock in the morning till 5:36 in the evening. We had complete training and hands-on experience for these 15 days that we were here, and I can tell you very confidently that I'll be able to handle the center quite effectively on my own as well in emergency. So this is one thing that has been a boon for me and has given me the confidence of managing my center. I have also realized that the working atmosphere being very, very optimized and the center being very, very well organized and run under the leadership of Dr. Thomas and Dr. Gautam. And Dr. Krishna has been a great trainer for us. He has been there all the time. He has guided, taken lectures, given us hands-on, told us the nitty-gritties of the problems that we may anticipate and face. Abhinaya has also been very, very handy. She has helped us in whatever we need. She has provided us with the equipment that is required, and everything. The whole program has been well structured. I must appreciate and congratulate the team CFC for having done so well academically as well as professionally. And I wish them success in all their future endeavors. Thank you.